Elephants are among the most fascinating creatures on our planet, possessing an array of remarkable traits that often leave us in awe. From their immense size to their intricate social structures, these majestic animals have captured human imagination for centuries. But what do we truly know about elephants? Beyond their stature, their behavior, intelligence, and extraordinary communication skills paint a vivid portrait of life in the wild. First, consider their size. Adult elephants can weigh between 5,000 to 14,000 pounds, depending on the species. Imagine a creature that can be as tall as 10 to 13 feet at the shoulder. African elephants, the largest of all, showcase the true scale of life on Earth. These giants inhabit various environments, from savannas and forests to grasslands, adapting uniquely to each ecosystem they occupy. Within the realm of their kinship, elephants exhibit remarkable social bonds. They live in family units led by a matriarch, typically the oldest female. This matriarchal system is not just about leadership, it embodies wisdom and experience. Such bonds are essential for survival. In times of drought, for instance, the matriarch guides her herd to water sources, using memories of past seasons. Communication among elephants is equally fascinating. They utilize a range of vocalizations, including trumpets, rumbles, and growls. In fact, elephants can communicate over long distances using infrasound, vibrations at frequencies below human hearing. This ability allows them to stay in touch with other herds, reinforcing social bonds despite the miles apart. Moreover, elephants are known for their empathy and altruism. When a member of their group is distressed, others often provide comfort by touching and encouraging them. This emotional complexity suggests a level of consciousness that raises intriguing questions about the nature of animal emotions, a reminder of how closely intertwined we are with these extraordinary beings. When it comes to memory, elephants are often regarded as having one of the best in the animal kingdom. They can recall places, individuals, and even traumatic events over many years. Such remarkable memory aids in their navigation through vast terrains, ensuring that they can find food and water, crucial for their survival. Their intelligence extends to problem-solving skills. Observations have shown elephants using tools in various situations. For instance, they may use branches to swat insects or scratch themselves, showcasing their ability to manipulate objects in their environment. This practical intelligence highlights their adaptability, an essential trait for thriving in the wild. Yet, despite their grandeur, elephants face significant threats. Habitat loss due to human encroachment greatly affects their populations. Simultaneously, poaching for ivory continues to be a severe issue. Current estimates suggest that tens of thousands of elephants are killed each year for their tusks, leading to a marked decline in numbers. Conservation efforts are critical, emphasizing the need for greater awareness and protective measures. Another intriguing fact involves their remarkable sense of smell, which is among the most acute in the animal kingdom. Elephants have more than 2,000 different genes dedicated to olfaction, allowing them to detect water from miles away, leading them through dry terrains. Their feet also merit attention. Elephants have padded feet that help them walk quietly despite their size. This design is crucial, allowing them to approach other wildlife and read their environment without alarming them. This stealthy movement enhances their survival and hunting strategies for food. Culturally, elephants hold a significant place in various traditions and folklore around the world. They symbolize strength, wisdom, and protection in many cultures, showcasing humanity's long-standing connection to these intelligent creatures. Their representation extends beyond mere symbolism. Elephants actively contribute to ecosystems as well. As they forage, they help shape landscapes, dispersing seeds that lead to new growth. As we delve deeper into understanding elephants, we not only gain insight into their lives, but also our own relationship with nature. Their existence prompts reflection on the importance of conservation and our role in protecting the delicate balance of ecosystems. In conclusion, elephants are truly extraordinary beings, embodying rich complexities that continue to inspire and provoke contemplation. Their profound intelligence, resourcefulness, and social structures challenge us to consider the broader implications of our actions on the environment. As stewards of the planet, it is our responsibility to ensure that these magnificent creatures not only survive, but thrive in their natural habitats for generations to come. In addition to their essential ecological roles, elephants also display a variety of cultural behaviors that enrich our understanding of their intelligent social dynamics. Rituals such as mourning the loss of a deceased member illustrate their profound emotional depth. These gatherings not only highlight their bonds but also raise awareness of their vulnerability, reminding us of the fragility of life. Furthermore, initiatives like ecotourism can foster a connection between people and these majestic creatures, creating an economic incentive for local communities to prioritize conservation efforts, thereby ensuring a future where elephants continue to roam freely in their natural habitats.